So guys, you're going to be seeing these are some of the dummy in which you're going to be having some of the fancy sarees in our Kesaria textile company are weird here. You're going to be having like these kind of the V-cut concepts in particular blouse also. These are the 1 minute saree or we can say ready to wear sarees guys. Yeah, in which all the ready-made concept you will be getting. In which blouse also you're going to be getting the same exact ready-made concept and the same goes to saree also, in which the same different color shades, 6 to 7 different color shades also we want to be having here. The same goes to this kind of the western trendy collections also. Like see these kind of the varieties you want to be having here. Upon the fabric of net, you will be getting these kind of the beautiful sequenced work with the beautiful work you will be getting here. On this, these kind of the beautiful stones are also sticked here, which having these kind of the beautiful concept. And apart from that guys, many of the varieties you seeing here, you loving here, take the screenshot and send to screen available number. That's what I'm saying here. And first and concepts I'm going to showcasing you. Like see guys, this will be the party wear kind of concepts you will be having here. See guys, in these kind of the party wear concepts and collections you will be having. Upon the fabric of velvet, you will be having these kind of the beautifully Swarovski stonework also you will be getting here with the beautifully colored work concepts also you want to be having guys. See how beautiful it was. And apart from that guys, these kind of the concepts you want to be having here. See guys, these are the designs you will be getting here. See guys, apart from that, this will be the whole blouse, contrasting design blouse you will be having here, in which 6 to 7 different color shades you will be getting. Single piece will not be delivered here guys. So see, next variety I'm going to showcasing. First of all, let me see these kind of the party wear collection guys. See these kind of the party wear collections you will be having here. See guys, beautifully designed, very well designed Swarovski stonework, diamond work you will be getting here. See guys, fabric you will be getting will be very beautifully some of the soft georgette, soft chiffon, that kind of the fabric you will be getting here guys. See how beautiful it was this. And apart from that, this will be the segment of blouse. See guys, this will be the segment of blouse you will be having here, which look very beautiful and very grand guys. And apart from that, next in particular bridal wear segments we are having in a large amount guys. This will be the particular fancy wedding embroidery saree section guys I'm showcasing in today's concepts, in which you will be getting these kind of the very high bridal wear concepts, which are highly reselling in the UP, Bihar or the regions guys, any other region. See, with the beautifully buttas work also you will be getting here, with the golden jaried embroidered work with the beautifully stone work also you will be getting here. See guys, how beautiful it was this. And apart from that, this will be the blouse you will be getting here. See guys, how beautifully designed, very well designed blouse system concepts you will be getting here guys. See how beautiful it was. And guys, what I said, apart from that, many of the varieties you want to be seeing here, in which you will be getting these kind of the amazing designs also. See guys, how beautiful it was. And these kind of the very beautifully heavy lace concepts also will be described here, and digitalized concepts and work you will be getting here. See guys, this will be the segment of blouse you will be having here. And let me open some of the concepts which are heavily party wear kind of concepts. See guys, this will be the concept in particular color of black. Color will be the black, but the border and the concepts, the different color shades you will be getting here guys. See how beautiful it was this. And apart from that, these kind of the beautifully yellow colored stonework, Swarovski work also you will be getting here guys. See how beautiful it was this. See guys, these kind of the amazing designs you will be getting here. And this will be the blouse part you will be getting here guys. See how beautiful it was. And guys, 6 to 7 different color shades you will be getting here. Same to same exact concept will be delivered at your doorstep. There will be not having any kind of the single changes in any of our concept in which you have selected. Either we are providing worldwide shipping also, COD facilities also you will be providing. Many of the countries like Germany, Mauritius, Australia, USA, they are coming from seeing our video. They contact our company. We are having in our Google also, Instagram also, Twitter also, and apart from that, Pinterest also, Facebook also. Many of the social media platforms we are having here, guys. So, what happened? Do the proper research, then you can call, guys. And apart from that, no need to hesitate, guys. Be free and frank to call our screen available number. It's one of our online sales executive number. Yeah, in many foreign countries, many of the southern language from India peoples are there, migrated there. They're having their boutique shops also, so they can also contact, because we are having all the language sales executive person here. So no need to worry. Just call the screen available number for the further details and inquiry. Give your precious opinion, reviews and feedbacks in our comment section. Till there, see you in the next video. Take care. Goodbye. साड़ी कुर्ती या हो लहंगा